Charles, if somebody wants to make a good video, from what he need to start?
First of all, this person needs an idea, a good idea.
Moving.
Okay, about this video. What kind of video? It's like a music video or just a story, if it's a normal video. But in case you need an idea, and then you need to find what you need in this video, like people or places, and the second one. And the further one is to find the stuff you need, like video camera, lights, location. And then I think, in my opinion, you will need a team, like somebody who will help you with the lights, with camera, and write some script in case you need, and you need work. That's all.
How much time will it take a person to be a great video maker?
For me,
If it will be hard work day by day.
For me, it depends. It depends on the person. Some person can learn fast, and some can take much more time. And about basics, I think with this high technology we have today, it will take almost 2 months for mastering video making. If you want. If you're not a lazy person, it will take you at least 2 months to mastering video making, because all program now using on computer, using on phone, so easy to use. If you want to and you a bit smart, it will take you 2 months to learn video making.
Can you teach anybody?
Of course. Before I was a teacher in my country, I used to teach person in my country for money. It was cool and I liked to do it, and I still want to do it. Now I don't have this opportunity anymore to teach people, because I'm living in a country with a special language, Russian. Even for me, it's difficult to deal with it sometimes, and teaching with it, it's not my deal now. I can try with some person who speak French or English, but in private school. But I still doing it in social media, in my own language. Short video, teach how to do this effect. But it's not really what I used to do in my country.
What's your next step in your career?
I think my next step in my career is a secret.
For me, it seems like you don't know.
You never know. It's a secret. How could I know? If I know, it's not a secret anymore.
Charles, thank you. Let's go working.